Hi, I'm Greta Grand, and I'm here to show you how to find books in Northwestern College's library that you can use for your history research projects. We're going to start on the library's homepage. The address is library.nwciowa.edu, but I'm sure your teacher will share a link with you as well. And you can start your search right here on our homepage in our search box. Today I'm practicing that I'm doing a project on Eleanor Roosevelt. I am putting her name in quotes. That can be helpful for the search engine to look for the terms as a phrase rather than as independent words. And I'm just going to click search. And here are my results. Now, this is looking at our whole catalog, like a lot of things that we have available, and you'll notice our first one here is actually an ebook. It says that here and here. Actually, the library has about twice as many ebooks as it does print books, so it is very likely you'll encounter some ebooks. Unfortunately, those can only be used by the Northwestern College community or people who are on campus. Perhaps when you come visit, you'll have a chance to look at those, but for now, we're just going to limit our search to print book. I do that by clicking that print book filter over here on the left side of the screen. Now we see the results of what's physically available in the library. And here's where you just want to start looking at the titles, reading these short summaries to see what might interest you or appeal to you for your project. If you ever want to know more about the book, the best thing to do is to click on the title. Here you'll get a little more information. You'll see the summary, which was also on that other page. You'll see a table of contents, which can tell you a little bit more about the book. Sometimes the physical description has information you might want to know. This looks like a pretty hefty volume at 765 pages. It includes some illustrations, a genealogical table. Those things might be helpful to you. Then what we want to do is to make sure we can actually find this book in the library. And I recommend getting out a piece of paper and writing down some information for that. I would write down the title, or at least part of it, right? The Eleanor and Franklin. And then over here on the right is where you get more information about where to find it. This tells me it's available and should be on the shelf. It's in our main collection on the second floor. And then this is the call number that you will need to find the book on the shelves. Make sure you write it down completely. That'll make it so much easier to find when you're here on campus. I'm going to go back to those search results. You can do that by clicking that back button there. And I also want to make sure that you are paying attention to what collection the book is in. This next one here looks pretty intriguing. But when I scroll down, I see that this is part of the children's collection. And books intended for children might not be the best for this project, so you might want to move on from that. I hope you have a great time searching, and I hope you enjoy your time at Northwestern.